Looking for the best value? Before you buy any vinyl record player, you need to see this. Check these out. In this video, I picked the best vinyl record player of 2026 based on performance, quality, features, and overall value. To save you hours of research, I've compared the top options, checked real user reviews, and narrowed them down to the very best picks. You'll find the latest prices and links in the description below. Subscribe for honest reviews. Now, let's get started. First up, we're checking out the Mango Stand vinyl record player. Experience your favorite vinyl in style with this 3-speed belt-driven suitcase turntable, supporting 33 1/3, 45, and 78 revolutions per minute records across all standard sizes. Designed for both portability and high performance, it features upgraded sound quality, vibration-isolating feet, and Bluetooth connectivity for effortless pairing with your smartphones or tablets. The classic green PU leather finish and vintage hardware add a sense of retro charm, while modern features like RCA outputs and a headphone jack give you flexible listening options. With enhanced bass and treble control, your vinyl records will sound richer and more immersive than ever before. The improved spring suspension turntable ensures smooth playback with significantly reduced motor vibration. It makes for a thoughtful gift or a personal escape into analog sound. This specific model truly bridges the gap between old-school aesthetics and the high-fidelity expectations of modern-day audiophiles everywhere. Next, we have the Retrolife vinyl record player. The Retrolife Suitcase record player perfectly blends vintage aesthetic charm with modern versatility for a complete, all-in-one audio solution. Wrapped in classic black PU leather with retro bronze accents, it serves as a stylish and portable music companion for any room in your house. Enjoy 3 playback speeds and support for all your 7, 10, and 12-inch vinyl records. You can stream music via Bluetooth, plug in older devices using AUX, or connect RCA output for powerful external speakers. For a private session, simply plug in your favorite headphones and enjoy. The belt-driven, anti-resonance design ensures clear sound, while the auto-stop switch protects your records by stopping the platter automatically. Simple setup and quick mode switching make it very beginner-friendly for any gathering. It's the perfect blend of fashion and function, ensuring that your precious vinyl collection remains in pristine condition for years to come. At number 3, the Perico Vintage Record Player. This versatile turntable lets you rediscover musical magic while supporting 33 1/3, 45, and 78 revolutions per minute records effortlessly. Whether you are spinning timeless classics or exploring new finds, you will enjoy the rich, soulful sound of vinyl that brings unmatched warmth and character to every single note. It is meticulously designed for both collectors and newcomers alike, offering a perfect way to embrace high-quality analog audio in your home. With the included remote control, you can easily adjust volume, skip tracks, or switch modes from across the room, adding incredible modern convenience to your nostalgic listening experience. It is a must-have for anyone who values depth and emotion. This unit effortlessly transforms any ordinary living space into a sophisticated listening lounge where every single beat and melody truly comes alive for you. Our fourth pick is the Victrola Portable Suitcase Record Player. The Victrola 3-speed belt-driven turntable masterfully blends retro charm with modern convenience for today's music lovers and hobbyists. Housed in a stylish vintage suitcase with a sturdy carry handle, it is absolutely perfect for on-the-go listening sessions and parties. With 3 speeds and upgraded sound quality, it plays your favorite vinyl with impressive clarity while its sound-isolating feet effectively reduce unwanted vibration. Built-in Bluetooth speakers let you stream music wirelessly, or you can connect external devices via RCA output or the headphone jack. No complex stereo system is needed, just plug it in and start playing immediately. User-friendly controls include volume, input selection, and a handy auto-stop switch. This portable player delivers a nostalgic experience with a smart, reliable modern twist. You can bring the party with you anywhere while enjoying the authentic, warm crackle of your favorite high-quality records every single time. And for our final pick, the One Bione vinyl record player. This elegant turntable blends classic sophistication with modern technology for an exceptional vinyl experience in any contemporary home setting. Crafted from wood and metal with a sleek, layered design and curved corners, it adds a distinct touch of class to your living space. It supports 33 and 45 revolutions per minute, while the built-in Bluetooth speaker allows seamless streaming from your phone, tablet, or PC. You can also connect external powered speakers via the built-in amplifier for even bolder sound performance. Featuring a magnet-type cartridge and adjustable counterweight, it consistently delivers warm, rich audio with minimal distortion. The Audio-Technica diamond-tipped stylus tracks grooves with incredible precision, ensuring every note is crisp and remarkably clear. This sophisticated system provides a high-end audio journey that satisfies even the most demanding listeners with its unparalleled sonic depth and stunning industrial design profile. And that's a wrap. If this video helped you choose the right product, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews, smart finds, and the latest deals. Have a product you want us to review? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned, because the next video might just be your next best purchase. See you in the next one.